Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jim from Masagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Archangel Michael, messages for the sign of Sagittarius. So, sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices na spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mahahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito ang mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Shuffle muna natin guys ha. So bago tayo mag-umpisa, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, sa walang sawang pag-aantay, at maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsubaybay. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Sagittarius. Ano ang pinaka-message sa inyo, Archangel Michael? Sense of humor. Ibig sabihin dito, kahit na may pinagdadaanan ka, kailangan think positive ka palang laging kailangan think positive daw lagi. At the same time, make a commitment, no? Kailangan, kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, talagang gusto mo may sa katuparan yan, mag-focus ka at make a commitment sa relationship, sa career, and also sa health mo. And of course, the person that you are seeing is trustworthy. Ibig sabihin dito, yung taong kinakausap mo, ipapagkakatiwalaan mo. Pasabog. What is the messages of Archangel Michael? Paano natin siya himay-himayan? And of course, there's the Hermit card. Soul searching, soul enlightenment, and of course, the Queen of Swords. There's an information na magdadala sa iyo ng bigger future. Parang ito yung kumbaga, nakikita mo na yung kahihinat na ng eksena. Kumbaga, nabivisions mo na eh. Additional message, there's a 7 of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities coming in for you. And of course, there's an options. At the same time, there's a High Priestess. There's an hidden agenda or hidden enemies. And of course, there's an unexpected moment. Revelation at the same time. There's a faith. Mukhang susubukin dito yung pananampalataya at tiwala mo. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands. And of course, there's an Eight of Cups. Kumbaga, napakalapit mo na there's a near from the success. And of course, there's a final push pero kailangan mo i-let go. No? Kailangan i-surrender mo kay sa ating mga seven archangels, kay Jesus Christ, sa mga gabay na tumutulong sa atin. Kailangan mo daw i-surrender lahat ng mga nararamdaman mo. Even yung mga pinagdadaanan mo. So, what is the Hermit card? There's a 5 of Cups. Disappointment, regret, doubt. Yan ang kailangan mong pakawalan. Kumbaga, there's a devil energy na kumbaga, nagkakaroon dito ng illusion or parang nawawalan ka ng motivation at the same time, parang mataasan ka na mo dito, parang negativity, parang toxic attitudes and toxic behavior. Parang pinapakita sa'yo dito na you need to do something or you need to wake up. No? Kailangan mo mag-cleansing tea kasi napaka-negative. Kaya pala there's a sense of humor. Kailangan think positive ka lang daw lagi. So eventually, dahil ganon, nagkakaroon ka ng negativity dito. And of course, there's a 6 of Wands. There's a victory and success. Ibig sabihin dito, huwag ka lang sa isang direction magfo-focus, no? It means na marami ka pang dapat, kumbaga options, no? Kumbaga, kung hindi maganda yung eksena na yan, sa ibang way ka, gumawa ka ng ibang direction o way para at least doon mo makita kung paano mo makukuha yung magandang resulta. Sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay, sa relasyon. No? Huwag kang bumase sa iisang statement lang. So, what is the High Priestess? There's a two of coin. Two of coin represent the two of pentacles. Sinasabi dito, there's an unexpected moment. Kailangan mo maging balance, ha? Kasi there's an hidden agenda. What is the faith? There's the Sun card. See? Si God, sinasabi sa'yo dito na mapagkakatiwalaan mo ang ating mga gabay. Di ba? The personal you asking is trustworthy. Magtiwala ka. Manampalataya ka. Kasi dito ay binibigay sa'yo at ipagkakaloob sa'yo ang positive outcome. No? There's a positivity and success coming your way. Nine of Wands and the Eight of Cups represent the Two of Cups. There's a partnership, unified love. Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo i-let go yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi mag-serve sa'yo. No? Hindi mo kailangan, kumbaga hintayin. No? Hayaan mo siyang kusang dumating. Kasi there's an unexpected moment Kasi nagiging unexpected yung ine-expect mo. Mas lalo ka nagwo-worries. Lalo kang nag-iisip ng nega. 'Di ba? Hayaan mo siyang mag-grow. Hayaan mo siyang mag-flow. Huwag kang mag-block ng negativity or blockages. So, what is additional messages for the Hermit and the top 5 of Cups? There is an Ace of Cups. There is opportunities or offer, no? New beginning, new proposal, new love life. Kumbaga may bagong eksena dito na magbibigay sa'yo ng kaliwanagan. What is the Queen of Swords and the Devil card? Okay, sinasabi ng Ten of Wands, kumbaga struggles, no? Kaya ka nakakaramdam ng struggles or yung hirap kasi ina-attract mo yung mga negativity. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong putulin yung mga negative thoughts mo kasi negative thoughts creates a negative outcome. So, ibig sabihin dito mag-cleansing ka at the same time, kumbaga, hayaan mong mag-flow. 'Di ba? Even yung mga pinagdadaanan mo, kailangan mong kumbaga, i-set aside yung mga bagay-bagay, lalo-lalo na yung iniisip mo. Libangin mo yung sarili mo, no? Gumawa ka ng ibang way. What is the Seven of Cups and of course the Six of Wands? There's a Moon card. There's a revelation reveal. There's an illusion. Minsan talaga, illusion lang natin yung nagbibigay ng negatibo Kailangan lang natin kumilos, no? Kailangan natin gumalaw. And of course, there's a Five of Swords. There's a fair fight. Magiging patas daw tong eksena to for you. And of course, there's an Ace of Swords in reverse. Makakalaya ka sa negativity. Makakalaya ka sa imprisonment. And of course, sinasabi dito, matatapos na tong struggles with the Palace of Swords. Matatapos na yung backfire, backstabbing, betrayal, deceptions, and of course, failure. No, what is the outcome? Outcome is the Six of Swords in the Tower moment. There's a reveal, no? Kumbaga, muling mabubuo at muling tutuklasan ng panibagong eksena with the Six of Swords transition. Kumbaga, kailangan mo magkaroon ng collaboration. Ayun, commitment, no? Kailangan mo mag-focus. Kailangan mo, kung gusto mo talaga makaalis sa situation mo, you need to focus at direct to the point, direct to the good intention. And of course, strength could represent confident. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo. At the same time, lakasan mo ang loob mo. Sinasabi ng Eight of Wands, there's some messages coming in for you. Fast communication, magiging mabilis tong eksena na to for you. 888 represent abundance. Kumbaga, pinakita dito sa'yo ng ating barahan na may perang parating. Kumbaga, binablock mo lang yung mga finances na parating yung kumbaga good fortune about sa finances. Binablock mo. no? Nabablock mo siya, kailangan mo i-let go. Huwag ka nag-expect. Kasi this September, kumbaga nagkakaroon ng transformation and shift out, no? Kumbaga, pagbabago. Kumbaga yung mga ina-expect mo, baka magkaroon ng unexpected moment. So, ibig sabihin dito, huwag ka mag-expect, tuloy-tuloy mo lang yung eksena, basta focus ka kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, yung hangarin mo, yung intention mo na makabangon. No? Focus and requires a sense of humor. Hakatake mo yung positive energy. What is the love oracle card? There's a hammer, see? There's a revealed or sabotage. Nasa sayo yan kung bubuin mo ba o sisirain mo ang eksena mo. At the same time, there's a soulmate. May soulmate connection dito. Kaya siguro hindi mo pa matagpuan dahil nakablock pa yung energy. There's a full of negativity dito. So what is the angel's number? Ang lakas ng ano dito na there's an abundance coming your way, ha? Kasi 888 number, first sign synchronicities na yung lumabas. At the same time, there's a 333. I am powerful. You are being called upon to use your spiritual gift as a light worker, assisting all of humanity. Live your true and be positive light to others. Ikaw yung magsisilbing liwanag sa ibang tao. At makikita mo ang kaliwanagan in all aspects. What is the energy? What is this energy for Sagittarius? There's a victory. Diba? Magkakaroon ka ng victory na third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. For, yung sa kalusugan, kalusugan or stomach. And of course, there's a word card. Sinasabi dito, there's a trouble, communication. No? Maaaring makapag-ibang bansa ka. Or there's an improvement, no? O baka baguhin ang mundo mo. What is additional messages? See? Double clarification and I also triple clarifications, no? Kumbaga kina-clarify talaga dyan, guys, na wait. Kina-clarify lang sa'yo na there's a humor. Kumbaga, kailangan a lighter side of life. Tingnan mo yung mas magandang magandang kahihinatnan o yung magandang outcome. Huwag kang tumingin sa mga nega. See, I choose to focus on the lighter side out of life. Kailangan yung magkakaroon ka ng solusyon. Huwag yung problema. Iniisip mo kasi yung problema, kaya mas lalo kang binabaon sa problema. And of course, there's an health. See? Kumaga may health issues dito. Kumaga nagkakaroon ng stress. And of course, pananakit ng katawan. Kasi nga, full of negativity, mag-cleansing ka. Ha? And of course, unwind, massage. Para ma-relax ka kahit papano. Additional messages. There's a trust, no? Magtiwala ka sa career na tatahakin mo. Magtiwala ka in God purpose. At magtiwala at maniwala ka kay God. Then there's a speaker, no? Some of you, there's a life purpose of your skills operation. Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo magdasal, no? I-surrender mo sa Kanya lahat. Huwag ka mag-expect, i-surrender mo lahat. What is the Monsology? Be bold and make the first move. So, ikaw yung magbibigay eksena sa sarili mo. Kung hindi ka kikilos, walang magbabago. No? And of course, sinasabi dito, look at the bigger picture. Tingnan mo yung magandang kahihinatnan. Huwag yung pinagdaanan. Ha? Kasi pag nakikita mo yung mga struggles na nangyari sa'yo, bababaong ka sa problema, te. Tingnan mo yung solusyon. Ha? What is the chakra? There's a recovery and renewal. See? Ang lakas ng energy dito sa sinasabi sa'yo na makakaalis ka sa situation mo. Makakabangon at makakaahon ka. Ahon at bangon. So, what is additional messages for this energy? Okay, there's a past gift. May gift ang universe sa'yo. No? Kumbaga, sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, malapit mo na maranasan yung moment mo, no? And of course, there's a kitchen creation. Kailangan mo mag-create ng mga bagong ideas. What is the Jesus loving quotes? And of course, sinasabi na, whatsoever you shall, as the Father in my name, He will give it to you. Ibig sabihin dito, ano man yung mga hinihiling mo na dapat mong hinihiling kay God, sinasabi sa dito, matatanggap mo yan ayon sa kalooban niya. 'Di ba? Kapag buo ang tiwala mo at buo ang pananampalataya mo, hindi mo kailangan mangamba sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo. Gawin mong sentro si God, guys. Ha? Diyan mo makikita yung liwanag at yung solusyon. And of course, sinasabi dito, beyond limitations. See? Today, I exceed my own expectations. I open my consciousness to the infinite. There are no limitations. There is no end. Everything is unfolding in continuous now. Therefore, I open my thoughts towards a broader horizon. I look beyond my perception of reality, beyond all barriers created of my own belief and fears. I am now open to new possibilities. See? Di ba? Pinapakita dito na kung mag-i-exceed mo raw yung sarili mo expectation. At the same time, kailangan conscious ka, 'di ba? Sa mga i-open mo yung consciousness mo about do sa mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. Kailangan walang posibilidad, walang eksena. Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito, buksan mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagong opportunities and bagong possibilities. No, hindi mo kailangan mangamba. Bagkos kailangan mong suportahan yung sarili mo at kailangan mong kumbaga kumilos, gumalaw at isipin yung mangyayari sa hinaharap. Huwag mong tignan ang nangyari sa nakaraan. 'Di ba? Kapag diyan ka binaon sa nakaraan, ibabaon ka ng negativity diyan, ibabaon ka ng problema at ibabaon ka diyan kumbaga hindi ka na makakabangon diyan. Kapag tinignan mo yung bigger picture of yourself, doon mo makikita at makakapag-create ka ng mga bagong ideas. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, tignan mo yung good right side no, ng buhay mo. Huwag kang tumingin sa mga nakaraan. Tumingin ka sa kasalukuyan. Bangon at ahon. So, Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Sagittarius. This reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, guys, sa mga viewers natin dyan, please comment your name, birthday, and of course, saan location kayo para sa susunod na reading natin, baka buhay mo na ang masagap natin. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!